battle between my allies and a bunch of bad guys. By the way, keep in mind that I'm playing in invincible mode. Do not play like this, you'll get your ass kicked. So let me shoot a couple guys here. Normally I would be taking cover. I'm going to go over here, ignore some of these guys. Okay, what I'm going to do is, as they are blending into their ragdoll animation, when it hits the ground, those joints have to send their own messages to the SPU about how far do I bend, how far do I bounce, when am I really dead. There we go. So this happens constantly in the game, and there's no way that we could have done anything like this with a previous platform, simply because there's so much going on in the environment. So instead of fighting this battle, which I'd like to do, it's fun, I'm actually going to load another level.